Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Series coming to you live from Asia, guys. Wow, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. It's January 1st here. It's around about 7 p.m. here in Vietnam, guys. So we got some sun coming out. So today we've got to talk about a whole bunch of stuff, guys. And, you know, even though the markets are down right now about 1.8%, I think we've got some pretty good news. We had, you know, $6.1 billion worth of options expired on the 31st. And it looks like, you know, between the bulls and the bears, we came out pretty even, guys. And that's why we're seeing, Bitcoin didn't tank, guys. Bitcoin didn't go down to 42,000, didn't go down to 45,000. It just kind of stayed where it, just kind of went sideways, guys. I gotta get my words right. The OG can't get his words right. So I think this is really pretty good news in the house that we didn't go down, we didn't go up, and there was really, the max pain level was around about $47,175. And that is pretty good news in the house that we didn't see a big dump coming down. And I'm really bullish about Bitcoin in 2022. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about the liquidations that happened as well. There's about $173 million worth of liquidations that happened in the last 24 hours. And, we're seeing that the open interest right now is going down. So hopefully the leverage traders have learned their lessons, particularly the ones that got wrecked, guys. So, I think that, once the weekend finishes, things get back to normal, we're going to start to see Bitcoin making some moves. I mean, we have seen some outliers making some moves, like Phantom's making moves, Meta's DAO is making some moves, and Dogecoin is also holding up pretty good as well, guys. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into some TA. We got some top news coming in as well. So, guys, you need to watch this video to the end, guys. And this is our first video of 2022. Let's get it, guys. So let's jump into the content. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinions, guys. And this is for educational purposes only. So, guys and gals, let's jump down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG. Let's jump into it right now. Let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at the heat map in the house. Go back and watch some of my other videos. Like I said, we're seeing that the markets are down about 1.8% in total, and we're seeing that the max pain level for the 6.1 billion expirations was around about 47,175. So overall, we're not seeing a big dump like we expected. We definitely didn't see things going up, but we're seeing things primarily just going sideways. And I think that's a good place to be. I think that's a good starting point. And in this article, we're talking about Bitcoin 6.1 billion options expiry was not enough to break the bearish sentiment, guys. So, bulls had a 90% open interest coming into December 31st option expiry, but bears managed to balance the scales at 47,175. So that was a max pain level. So overall, I think this is not a bad thing. Therefore, it was no surprise that the 47,175 at 8 a.m. UTC time on December 31st brought little change to the price structure. Even the 3% rally to 48,500 followed an event failed to sustain itself. So I think overall this is a good thing, guys. We also saw about 9,925 Bitcoin left Coinbase in 24 hours because, as I said, this tax harvesting is finished. So you saw a lot of people, buying back the Bitcoins that they had sold to tax harvest. So, this is pretty 24 hours. It's a positive trigger considering fewer coins are available on exchanges for newcomers. Besides, the first week of the new year has been positive for the past 4 to 5 years, averaging about 18% gains for Bitcoin holders. So also, too, we saw that MicroStrategy on December 30th also picked up about 1,914 Bitcoin as well. So I really think that we're going to see, Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. I don't think we're going to see much downward pressure. I think things are going to start to pick up. I might be wrong, guys, and a lot of people like to beat me up in the comments, guys. Smash the likes, subscribe, don't forget to give Super Chat show some support. It's New Year's, guys. So if we take a look at the total liquidations that happened in the last 24 hours, we got about 179 $1 million worth of leverage traders got wrecked, guys. And the majority of that was in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I was surprised to see XRP in the third spot. Luna, Matic, Solana, Atom, SOS, Sushi, CRV, AVAX, and NEAR, guys. So we're seeing that, most of the liquidations that happen is right here, about 147 longs, 147 million longs, 75 shorts, guys. So, that was a max pain about 47.175. Like I said, but we did have 6.1 billion expirations total that it did expire. So let's just take a look at the cryptocurrency recap for 2021. And you can see that, things were not too bad. We had, Shiba Inu went nuts, and that's like 52 million%. Wow, that's why, if you'd invested like $1,000, you'd be a multi-billionaire right now. Axie Infinity is up 18,000%. We saw SAN up 16,000%. Terra is up 15,000%. Matic is up 14,000%. And this is from the 1st of January 2021, guys. So if you guys had aped in, guys, you guys would be making bankity bank bang. We'd see the Solana is up 13,000%. Mana is up, guys, 4,000%. Doge is up 4,000%. AVAX is up, almost 4,000%. BNB is up 1,400%. ADA is 783%. Ethereum is up 460%. So that's pretty good, guys. Pretty good in-house. Uni's up. DOT is up. So overall, and we see that Bitcoin is up 90%, guys. So, Bitcoin, from this list is the lowest, but it's a steady gainer, guys. Don't discount the biddy right now. So we're also seeing, we saw some top crypto predictions that were made by billionaires in 2021. We saw that, this whole Barry Serbet, remember when we had this whole SNL, this knucklehead, he decided that on May 8th, after the Saturday Night Live, he decided that he would short Dogecoin, and it paid off for him because, basically Dogecoin, remember that went down 40% after the SNL, and a lot of people were just like shocked. Even I was shocked, guys. I was shocked. I thought that, the SNL thing was a big lead up to this whole 72 cents. And I really thought that we were going to be going uppity up, guys. And I thought that things were going to be looking good for the Doge. But in fact, what happened was it went down since then. And Doge has never seen the light of day in terms of going up that much. But, don't discount the Doge. Doge has been holding pretty steady around about 17 cents. I mean, Doge is almost acting like a stable coin right now. It's just kind of... But I think in 2022, once we have this Ethereum bridge and all this stuff happening, we're going to see stuff happening. And then we had Elon Musk posted a meme, a couple laying on the bed, and the screenshot. A Bitcoin was trading around 69,000. The largest cryptocurrency ended up reaching that price level in November 10th, right? And that was kind of the peak, right? 69,000. Can Bitcoin, get to 100,000? I think it's going to happen in 2022. I really do believe that this bull run is not over. That's just my opinion, guys. Smash the like, subscribe. What do you guys think? You think this is it? We're going to go down from here, and we're going to go down to like 24,000, 30,000. It's over. I don't think so, guys. Then, we saw that buying Solana at $3. We saw, Sam Bankman, he set out this viral tweet on FTX, and Sam Bankman, the richest man in crypto, hit back at critics who claimed that Solana was overvalued at $3, guys. So he was right. Definitely, he was right. I mean, if you'd have bought the Solana at $3 in January, guys, you'd be up like crazy. Let's just go back. If you'd have bought Solana way back then, you'd be up 13,000%. So the critics in the house who said that Sam Bankman was wrong, they got him wrong. They were not right. The Sam Bankman, he was a huge genius out there, guys, and I knew that was going to happen, and that's why the OG way back when I bought a ton of a Solana, and yeah, I didn't pay $3. I'll be honest. I paid around $8, guys. I did pay $8, so I made out like a bandit on Solana. I'm still holding Solana. I'm absolutely still holding Solana. I only sold 50% of my Solana, so I'm still holding a huge amount of that. So I really think that Solana is, for a layer one, it's a really good project. I think it's going to be going higher and higher. So this is just kind of some of the other stuff. Michael Saylor, we saw that, the whole Michael Saylor thing, they bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin. We saw that, we had the whole China ban. That would cause this whole Debbie Downer crash event. So overall, it's been a rocky road for 2021. We didn't hit the holy grail of 100,000 like we were expected. But I think think that we're going to hit that in 2022. Let's take a look at Shiba Weeby in the house right now. So we can see right now that Shiba Weeby is looking is looking okay. I mean, it's down 1.38%, but, I think it's not bad considering that the whole markets are down 2%. And I think that we're just going to have a pretty much settling. We're seeing that, the total signals right now is neutral. So I think that we're going to see a lot of the crypto start to make a move, because if you look at the total, the signals and indicators, most of the cryptos right now are neutral. They're not bullish, they're not bearish, they're pretty much neutral in the house. And 54% of all Shiba Inus are still in profit, guys. So let's take a look at the Shiba Weeby price, and we're at 33.51. And I did tell you that we're just going to go sideways for a while. Let's get this weekend over with. Let's get the Nasdaq, the S&P open again on Monday. Let's get this silly holiday season out of there. Let's get back to work. Let's get back to normal, and let's get this crypto market pumpity pump. What do you guys think? Smash the likes. Do you think after the silly season is over? I always call Christmas and New Year's silly season. I mean, it's New Year's Day. I was working yesterday. I was working today. I mean, the hotel is like crazy right now. We're like 85% occupied. We got it's like a zoo out there. Our restaurants are booked up. It's going great. So I just can't wait till we get back to normal and OG can relax in the house. And I'm sorry I missed a video today, guys. I really apologize. It was we're just slammed here at the hotel. It's a fantastic opening, guys. Absolutely a fantastic opening. I just want to thanks for the support. Sorry I missed a video, guys. I love you, guys. I love you. And so let's take a look at Dogecoin in the house. So Dogecoin, like I said, it's just really range bound between 18 and 60 cents, and it's just like right in the center of that range, and we're seeing pretty much the same kind of behavior as well for Biddy. We're seeing that Biddy right now, it's at $46,957. We got 1 day and 14 hours left on this weekly candle. Yeah, absolutely, it's guaranteed. We're going to close. We're definitely going to be closing this candle in red. It's not optimal, but I think this is, we had the tax harvesting. We had 6.1 billion in expirations. We've had a couple of days of a lot of people getting wrecked, and this has just been wreaking havoc with the price. And I really believe that all the craziness is over, and that Bitcoin is going to be making some moves, guys, and the whole crypto space is going to be making some moves. So you can still see here that we still got this whole support level here. We're still making higher lows right now, and we can see that Bitcoin has made it's had these three descending triangles, and every time it's making higher lows, then it bounces up, goes down, higher low again, bounces up again, it goes down, higher low again. So I think that we're probably going to definitely be bouncing up and retesting all-time highs pretty soon, guys. I believe that. I might be wrong, guys, but the technicals, the fundamentals are still telling me that we're definitely going to be seeing a bounce, guys. And if we look at Dogecoin, the sentiment right now for Dogecoin, the sentiment for Dogecoin is looking pretty good, guys, in the last 5 hours. We're seeing that, if we look at relative to price, the social sentiment is picking up for the Doji in the house, guys. So this is pretty good news in the house. We're seeing that overall, the social sentiment compared to the Bitcoin price. So if we look at the Bitcoin hourly sentiment right now and compare the Dogecoin sentiment, which is in the green, we're seeing that the Dogecoin sentiment is doing much better than Bitcoin. So people are a lot more positive about the Doge compared to the Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of people are kind of disappointed. They're expecting that after the expirations and the tax harvesting that we would see more price bump for Bitcoin. We didn't, but we still saw 9,225 Bitcoins taken off Coinbase. We're seeing more Bitcoin being taken off Binance and other exchanges. So it just goes to show me that that we're still seeing a supply shock out there. Something's got to give, guys. Something's got to give. Either Bitcoin is going to tank like crazy. That's it. We're out of there. Or Bitcoin is going to go up and it's going to take the whole crypto markets up. And I tend to believe in the latter, that we're going to be going up, guys. I think we're going to have, probably 3 to 4 days of consolidation, sideways action. I know a lot of you out there are going to be going nuts. The Debbie Downers are going to be like panicking and what's going on. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Let's take a look at the informatics for Doge. Let me just give this a minty refresh right now. And, guys, we can see right now that, Dogecoin holders 53% are in the money right now, 42% are out, and we're only down like 0.15%. Now, I must admit, guys, so the Dogecoin lovers out there, don't beat me up. We're seeing that, the fundamentals right now for Dogecoin is not looking as good as Bitcoin, as Shiba Inu right now. We can see that the network growth is bearish. In the money is down right now compared to yesterday, and large transactions also down. If we take a look at the Shiba Inu in terms of those technicals, we can see that the network growth is up. In the money is slightly down, and also large transactions slightly down as well. And the smart price, the bid to ask volume is basically neutral right now. So overall, we're seeing that the indicators are pretty much neutral overall for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, from a technical perspective, is looking a little bit better, guys. So that's the way it is. I gotta tell it like it is. I'm not gonna tell you that Doge is looking better than Shiba Inu right now, because right now the fundamentals are telling me it's not. But don't give up on the Doge. I'm still loving the Doge. I haven't held into it, and actually I picked up some more Doge. The OG did pick up some more Doge, guys, in the house. So that is pretty good news. So some bullish looking Twitters, and this is from Matthew Hayward in the house, and he's comparing, the US dollar, the stock market all-time high, the US 10-year yield, and we're seeing that, the US dollar is breaking bearish, stock market is breaking all-time highs, US 10-year bond, what is wrong? The U.S. 10-year yield is also looking pretty positive, and Bitcoin retests a bump and run pattern. So we're seeing that this bump and run pattern is being retested, and I believe that if we look at the stock market, if we look at the U.S. dollar, remember when the U.S. dollar goes down, Bitcoin often runs, guys, and we're seeing that the U.S. dollar is just dropping like a rock right now, and this is because of inflation. We got the Fed out there, the Fed, printing money like crazy. So, guys, do you think that these indicators indicate to you and me that Bitcoin's going up or Bitcoin's going down? Guys, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB. Tell me what you think. I think it's positive. Do you think it's positive or negative? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, and this is for Julio Moreno in the house, and we're going to cover a couple things. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is that if you look at the 4-year inactive supply, it's at an all-time high. And what that means is that the number of Bitcoin that has been active, meaning they haven't sold, they haven't received anything, it's at an all-time high. And this is indicative of people not moving their Bitcoin and people hodling. So this is really cool. Now the 90-day active supply showing the cycle is far from over. So if we look at this here, the 90-day activity for Bitcoin supply showing the cycle is far from over. So if we look at over the last 90 days, we can see that the Bitcoin run to the top is far from over. And every time we have these, in the black here, the active supply goes over this threshold here, we often see the run to the upside. The same happened here. We had the run to the upside. So we can see here in this, we are still back on the way. I remember here we had this, we had a peak. This is when we hit about 60K, right? So here we're far from over, and once this starts to move up, we're going to definitely see Bitcoin start to move, guys. So this is bullish, guys. This is a bullish indicator in the house, guys. Some other bullish indicators for Bitcoin right now is you can see that miners are being underpaid compared to difficulty. Cycles have typically ended when miners are extremely overpaid. So right now we're seeing that miners are underpaid in terms of difficulty and their rewards, right? So like I said, because miners are underpaid compared to difficulty, cycles have typically ended when miners are extremely overpaid. And they're not overpaid right now, so this is indicative that the cycle is not over. So this is more and more confirmation to me, and I don't know what you think, but the data is there, right? The data is there. Didn't make this stuff up. I believe that Bitcoin still has a lot to run, guys. Here we go. Another one. Transactional indicator signaling the cycle has a long way to go. So this is the transactional indicator, and whenever the transactional indicator is high, this indicates a Bitcoin top. When the transaction is high, it indicates a Bitcoin top. Right now, we're not even seeing, anywhere close to where we saw these tops before. I still believe that there's more gas in the tank for Bitcoin, and on and on and on. If you look here, how is Bitcoin doing at the end of 2021? Some of the indicators I use below consecutive days above 40K is at an all-time high of 148 days. This is cool, guys. This is also indicative of seeing Bitcoin going up, guys. So this is a huge in the house, guys. So some quick news that's coming out. Bitcoin price fell short of 100K analysis. And what's the target for 2022? After this monster rally, Bitcoin's price is critical at this critical juncture. Analysts expect 100K in 2022. That's what I believe. That's what you should believe. This is not financial advice. Do you think that Bitcoin is going to hit 100K in 2022? I think it's going to happen, guys. I definitely think it's going to happen. We're going to have some ups. We're going to have some downs. Now, it looks like Canadian regulators are insisting that Binance is unauthorized and calls the crypto exchange's letter to use unacceptable. So Binance basically sent a letter to all Ontario citizens that their exchange was okay. It's being regulated, but the OSC, which is like the SEC in America, shot back and said they're not regulated. So it looks like Binance is in trouble again with regulators in Canada. So this is not good in the house, guys. So the fear and greed right now is at 21. It was at 28 yesterday. So people are a little bit fearful, guys. But I think this is all going to be washed out. I am definitely buying the dips. I picked up one and a half Bitcoin today. I'm still pretty bullish, guys, on Bitcoin. And this is not financial advice. So let's take a look. Let's absolutely take a look at Meta's Dow in the house right now. Let's just give this some indie refresh. So Meta's Dow right now is down 12.27%, but it's having a huge week, guys. It's up 148%, guys. Now I have to tell you the truth. I did ape in. I did pick up a whole ton of Phantom today. My brother Dragon out there, one of my huge super members, he's been telling me, and I took a look at the fundamentals, and I took a look at it and said, yeah, Dragon is right. Dragon, if you're watching this, yeah, I aped into Phantom. Thank you, brother. This better pay off, brother. No, Phantom is a great project, guys. If you look at the total TVL for Phantom right now, Phantom is definitely moving up the ranks, guys, right now. So you can see Luna is still number 2 at 18 billion. We're seeing BNB, this is total value locked on the chain, by the way. And you can see that Phantom has just flipped Matic right now. And you can see that the Phantom is up 13% in terms of total locked value, guys. And did you know that the transaction fees on Phantom is cheaper and is faster than Doge? So this is something to keep an eye on right now. So it looks like that Phantom's got Solana in its sights, and it looks like we can maybe be making some moves. So I'm not chilling for Phantom. Phantom is looking good, guys. Phantom is looking good in the house right now, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now in the house, and we're seeing that Ethereum right now is just going sideways, guys, and it's trading at $3,693. And we're not going to see much of a breakout. We're not going to see much happening. Basically, we're going to see sideways pattern. And this is going to continue, I think, for another 3 or 4 days. And then we're going to start to, some bullish news. We're going to get some positive news. And this is just going to drive, the whole crypto up. And I believe that we're going to get institutions who are going to be buying back more and more Bitcoin in 2022 because this whole tax harvesting is finished. It's out of there, guys. So it's looking pretty good in-house. So you got to love it. And look at Matic right now. Matic is doing the same thing. It's just sideways. It's 252. And it's trading between this channel of 262 and 247 in the house, guys. So got to get it. And, Solana has just been like going sideways. It's kind of been stuck at like $172 range. And we've got some real good support around 170, guys. It's acting as great support in the house, guys. So you got to love it. Love it. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap in the house right now. So the market cap is really unchanged from where it was yesterday. It's at 2.27, which is a good thing. The volumes are like, guys, it's New Year's. That's also why we're seeing things going sideways because, the volumes are not there. People are enjoying, guys. People are enjoying, or at least waking up with headaches, you know what I mean? Or if they're woken up at all. So, guys, smash the like, subscribe. I love it. You love it. And let's take a look at the coins in the house. Let's get out of here. And we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is only down about 0.44%, and it's at 47,000 and some change. We're seeing that Ethereum is down just slightly. It's at 3,713, and we're seeing right now that BNB is at 515, so that's up. This is a good sign. Solana is up almost 1%, so that's looking pretty good. Making some moves. We're seeing that it's at 172. ADA is down as well, 132. We're seeing Luna is up 3%, so that's pretty good. We're seeing Avalanche is up as well, 6.25%. Doge is down almost 1%, at 17. SHIB is down as well, 1.17%. Matic is up, guys. We're seeing Sierra Coin is up, and things are looking pretty good, guys. Atom is still doing very good, so if you're holding Atom, you guys should be happy. You guys should be proud. Phantom is up 11%. Phantom is on fire right now, so Phantom is looking good. So I bought in this morning, so I'm actually up, guys. I'm actually up right now. So thank you, Dragon in the house. So I bought this morning. I'm not up much. I'm up around about 10 cents for every token I bought, because that's okay, guys. So don't worry about it, guys. So I just want to, this was just I wanted to kind of let you guys know that I still think there's a lot of gas in the tank for Bitcoin. I don't think this bull run is over. I think 100K is possible for Bitcoin. I still think, price prediction 2022 for Ethereum is 10K. I still believe $1 for the Doge is definitely coming in 2022. I still believe that we can take off a zero for the Shiba Inu. I believe that we can see a 300% increase in Shiba Inu's value pretty soon. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Do it right now. Follow. We got 3,587 followers. Get the tips, get the tricks, get the latest news, get all the great information right there, guys. Do it. You know you want it. And don't forget to go and check out the merch, guys. We have tons of merch. And don't forget to check out the links of all the videos down below. Buy the channel coffee, do all that stuff. Merch up. And don't forget to check out the Wifey's channel, guys. Go do it. Show some love over there. So, guys, thank you very much for being in this video. This is just a quick one. I mean, it's a long one, but it's a quick one. So hopefully you found this entertaining. Don't forget to smash the likes. Subscribe, YB. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! The OG out, guys. OG out. I'll see you in the next one. 2022. Here we come. Crypto is going to go to the moon again. So, guys, I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Yeah!